Alrighty, so it says, oh, by the way, only one example from me and then one from you today. On a trip from Louisiana to Florida, your family wants to travel at least 420 miles in 8 hours of driving. What must your average speed be? So at least indicates this, greater than or equal to 420. Give you another hint here. If we're talking about averaging, we are definitely going to talk about dividing as we solve. But don't forget, we do need that let statement. So we're going to say let x equal, we're going to say your average speed, right? Average speed. Alrighty. And by the way, just as a reminder, formula, distance equals rate times time. So I'm going to take that unknown average speed x over that 8 hours, so I multiply the two, and that's going to be greater than or equal to 420. So I just have to solve that. That means I'm going to divide both sides by 8, and x is going to be greater than or equal to 52.5, and our label there is miles per hour. MPH is fine with that. Now again, just divide here when you're ready to do that. Alrighty, so pause here, go to class kick, work one real quick, and it'll come right back to me. Something here I don't know if you caught in the reading, she's only going to order one 11 by 14, and that's $7. So that one's a fixed cost. It's not going to change. So we need to know really how many of the 11 or 3 by 5s she's going to order. So we'll call P equal 3 by 5 prints. It's 3 by 5 prints. So P is the number of those she's going to order. And those are 40 cents each. So 0.40, or 0.4 is fine, P, now she can spend at most $11. So plus the $7 for the big one has to be less than or equal to $11. So let me go through that again. Again, she wants one of the 11 by 14s. Those are $7 each. She doesn't know how many of the 3 by 5s she can buy, but they're 40 cents each. She can spend at most $11. That's less than or equal to 11. Now this one becomes a two-step equation. So subtract your 7.40p becomes less than or equal to 4. Now divide off our 0.40. Divide off our 0.40. Now don't just guess at this one, right? That's actually 4 divided by 0.4. Bump the decimal, bump the decimal. So it's really 4 going into 40. And that is 10. So our answer, P, is less than or equal to 10 prints. Don't forget to label it prints, P-R-I-N-T-S. So there you go. There's our answer for that one. Now, you're going to go ahead and finish the worksheet front and back, and that'll be graded tomorrow. And there are 12 total. The last 3, you get to write a word problem of your own. So you can to go with each inequality. So you can come with whatever you want to. You can say 4, or, I don't know. Look at some of the ones we've done, like the toppings per cost and a pizza and all that stuff. So there you go.